right, man, give me the good news. I think Seals is gonna seal the deal.
There's been a little bit of miscommunication going on.
Dude, I mean, really? Come on, man. Seals, come on, baby.
I didn't know what was going on at first.
They say something that's not meant to be. Wasn't meant to be, I guess. 神様の何かだったのかもしれないんだよね。人生だな。山がある。谷がある。ということがあるんだよね。感じのいいトラック。多分、これですね。買うのはね。これにしようかなと。もう最後までいろいろもう時間かかったんだけど、とりあえず今日決めることにしたので、このトラックになるんだろうと思うんだけど、最終的な条件などを今から、ディーラーの担当のシェーンさん、テキサスにあるディーラーですね。GMC とビューイックのディーラーにある車両。下取りで入ってきた車、思ったより年式が新しい2014年。それと走行距離はちょっと多いんだけど、とりあえずいい車両だって。ワンオーナーのちゃんと整備されてきた車なので、もう 2,3 日前まではこの色なんかはね、考えてない。ただいろいろ調べてる中で、あとこれからのことを考えてる中でこの色でもいい。それと自分は思った以上のラプターにないような面白い内装、その色をうまくアクセント的に利用して外もなんとかね色を変えて改造していけばめっちゃいいラプター入って今交渉中なんで今電話で決まると思いますので早速シェーンさんに電話かけてみましょう。
Hey, how you doing?
Shane, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Good, good. So
I went and talked to my manager. He said he really doesn't have any room to move.
come on, man. I want to buy the truck. Tell him don't be so tough on it. It's not like trucks are flying out. That thing's got 112,000. I know it's nice. You've been nice to me, man. But it's a lot more than that other truck. But I think it's nicer. You've been more open and honest with me. You've been helpful, and I'd like to do business with you, and I'd like to do it fast so I can get that damn truck here and start working on it already. Can't wait.
Awesome.
Do it, man. I'm shaking your hand over the phone. Don't be surprised if some of our conversations don't pop up on a video one of these days, but I'm giving you a shout out to you and your dealership.
Awesome. Let me see if I can do it for us, okay?
Cool, man. You got it. Thank you.
Awesome. Talk to you soon.
All right, bye. 2014年のラプター11万2000マイルできましたね。できそうですね。シェーンさん頑張れー。なんとかなるだろう。今電話あったんで、お願いしましょう。
Hey, what's up?
All right, man. Give me the good news.
All right, so I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. So this guy's in here right now. I just found out about this deal. So they're pinning a deal on it right now. He's trying to prove his income. Okay.
All right. Yeah. So what do you want me to do?
I mean, I guess the only thing we can do is just wait and see what happens here. I mean.
Okay. Well, how long are we waiting?
So I'm gonna go down here and talk to Dave and see exactly what's going on with everything.
Okay. Get back to me. Thanks.
All right, I will do.
All right. Bye.
All right.
電話かかってきました。
Yes, this is Leroy Seals. How you doing, Steve?
Mr. Seals, how are you?
I'm doing fine. There's been a little bit of miscommunication going on. I didn't know earlier today that another one of my salespeople was working on another truck. He was working with my other manager, which is my partner that's in here with me. Before Shane come to me about your deal, well, this other gentleman came first on this deal, which I didn't know anything about. It have nothing to do with you asking for a couple $100 off. Because I don't care about the couple $100 because I told him in advance, yeah, I'll do a couple $100 off.
Mr. Seals, first of all, I appreciate you calling me, and I believe that you're not ill-intentioned in doing it. I don't think you're stupid enough to try to cut somebody out of a deal for a couple $100. I know you realize it don't make sense, and you understand sitting in my seat how it feels a little bit strange that you're here since last night working on this a bit. You think about the timing when you gave me that first price. And I countered it by, a couple $100 really, ultimately, if you think about it. And in that intern, all of a sudden, there's another guy sitting in the showroom trying to buy the truck. So you can understand how I could look at it and say, dude, I mean, really? Come on, man. How many sales managers could be there? It's a little hard to believe that you got parallel deals going and nobody's talking to each other. But if that's what you're saying it is, it is.
Personally, I didn't even know he had been working with you last night on this
Well, Mr. Seals, listen. I want to tell you that first of all, one, I appreciate the call. I do that. Okay, your guy Shane has been very professional. He's relayed to me everything that you've been talking about. He's handled himself real well, and I've been super happy just up until this situation here. You know what I think, Christian?
What's that?
I think that what's going to happen now is this: Mr. Seals is going to call me back, and he's going to say, "Steve," because he got a deep voice like that. You heard him, right?
Yeah.
He's going to say, "Steve, I got it worked out for you, my man. I worked it out. What do you think? Do you think that's going to be the call? Do I get that? Or do I get the call that says, Steve, I did everything I could for you, sir. I went to bat for you, man. And
I think he's going to seal the deal.
I think Seals is going to seal the deal. Seals, come on, baby. This story could end either so nicely. Steve gets a truck from Mr. Seals and his sales team, Shane, from Texas. He's so happy on a great deal. They were the nicest people in the world to work with. Ending number one. Ending number two was Mr. Seals sold me out, took my truck, sold it to a local guy after I've been working with them for over close to 24 hours to leave a video that was headed for such a happy ending to just crash and freaking burn. Buzzkill, ultimate buzzkill, right?
Super.
I mean, you're buzzkilled even just thinking about it, aren't you?
Yeah. Yep. I hope they seal the deal, man.
Mr. Seals,
Come through.
Let this be the laughing end clip, the extra footage that we put at the end. We call it the NG, the no good clips. We'll just throw this at the end and say, wouldn't it have been funny if Mr. Seals stuck it up my rear end and didn't sell me that truck?
Yep.
No, it wouldn't have been.
But they sent everything out, everything checked out on that deal for that gentleman there.
Well, that's extremely unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is, huh? Sometimes they say something that's not meant to be wasn't meant to be. I guess it's unfortunate, a little bit of a waste of time, but and certainly changes my story a little bit on this whole purchase thing. But I go with what it said. If it wasn't meant to be, it wasn't meant to be. So that's the way I'm going to take it. I appreciate you following up, and it's unfortunate, a little unfortunate.
Yes, sir. I mean, like I said again, first of all, I apologize because I didn't know what was going on at first on this deal.
Maybe it's a good opportunity there internally with a couple of managers. Maybe there's got to be better communication internally so you can avoid a situation like this. Because honestly, I mean, listen, I could sit here and be pissed off and scream and yell and whatever. It don't do no good. It's unfortunate. It is what it is. But and for me, internally, the fact that there was a breakdown on communication in there, the right hand didn't know what the left hand was doing. Honestly, it doesn't really matter to me. I mean, that's your company stuff. But I would say for the future of not having this happen again, if you want to avoid it, maybe you guys can figure out a system that'll work a little bit better and then save everybody a lot of time. Me, you, Shane, everybody,
Yes, sir.
Again, I'll leave you with sales. Your guy Shane seems like a good guy. He kept me in this deal even past the point that I said, you know what, maybe it's time to move on. But he's a good guy, so I'll leave you with that. I thought he was a gentleman.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. 信じられないよな。やられたんだよ。もう怒っても仕方ないし、いけないな。これ汚いよな。もっと怒るべきだかな。怒るべきかな。俺はちょっと汚い。怒っても仕方ない。その一台しかね、ないわけではない。本当はね、ある意味ではもしかしたらさ、そのトラックと俺の合わないところがあったかもしれない。神様の何かだったかもしれないんだよね。それはあると思う。マジで。仕方ないんだよな。これ仕方ないんだよな。次に行こう。コロラドにあったちょっとエンジンの中身にもしかしたら何かが変なのがあるのかなっていうの。トラックのその業者さんからまた電話あった。まあ、慌てなくいいトラックが出てくるから無理に買っても仕方ないということで探し直しですね。少しまあ調整ですね。なんでもそうなんだよね。人生だな。こういう流れもね。このある山がある谷があるということはあるんだよね。続けて探しましょう。疲れるけどね。まあ楽しいけどね。ね。ちょっと疲れる。次はコロラドかな。